talk about understanding 1099 NECs if you are someone who is paying a non-employee. If you paid a non-employee $600 or more over the course of the year, in total, adding up all those separate times that you paid them, then you are going to be required to issue Form 1099 NEC for non-employment compensation. Now, if you need to issue Form 1099 to a worker, you first must collect that worker's information in order to generate the form. In order to do this, we use Form W-9, which is available at irs.gov. It is best to issue and collect a W-9 form from a worker before you pay them to ensure that you have all the information needed and that form is secured before they actually start the work. However, if you did not do this, then make sure that you collect that W-9 from them before you issue that 1099. The W-9 is going to include information such as their social security number or EIN, their personal address, and a few other things. So make sure that this form is kept confidential within you and your business and the IRS and the individual only. Next, you will need to create, issue, and file Form 1099 NEC. If you use a payroll software for paying your independent contractors, such as my personal favorite, which is Gusto, the link is included in the description, those softwares have the option to automatically generate, issue, and file these forms with the IRS as well as with that non-employee. If you do not use a payroll software, don't worry, you can quickly and easily generate these using an online tool. My favorite is tax1099.com. I'm not sponsored by them. They are just very fast, easy, and very low cost. 1099s will be issued to individuals, partnerships, limited liability companies, or estates. In most cases, corporations do not receive 1099s, but there are a few exceptions. The IRS gives the following examples of who should receive 1099s. Anyone who provided professional services like accountants, engineers, or architects, non-employee salespersons earning commissions, independent contractors who get paid for services, goods, or travel, or received benefits, professionals who received referral or fee-splitting fees, non-employee entertainers for services related to your business, and certain people who got golden parachute payments after a merger or acquisition. Most payments to corporations are not included on 1099 NECs except for the following. Step number 1, determine if you are obligated to report your payments. If your business paid an independent contractor $600 or more in total payments throughout the course of the tax year, you are most likely obligated to report these payments. Step number 2, collect a W-9. If you haven't done so already, send the contractor a copy of IRS Form W-9 in order to collect and verify their taxpayer ID information. This form is linked in the video description. Step number 3, go to tax1099.com to generate the form. This video is not sponsored by Tax 1099. I have simply found that this is a very simple, fast, and cheap method of generating these forms. For non-employee compensation, you will be creating Form 1099 NEC. Enter in the information for your independent contractor and your business. Send a copy of this form to the contractor, to the IRS, and keep one for yourself. This must be done no later than January 31st of the new tax year. Tax1099.com will file this form to the IRS and send it to the contractor for you as long as you select that option. Step number 4, when filing your own taxes, be sure to enter in the payments to your independent contractors on your business taxes, as these are business expenses and are tax deductible. Hopefully this simplified the process for you. Now, if you want to automate this process for next year, I highly recommend signing up with Gusto to pay your independent contractors, generate those forms, and issue and file them automatically. Super easy, and the affiliate link is in the description down below.